Going to a rodeo while wearing a red lace wig and a bull attached you.
Using the wrong glue for your weave and ripping off your scalp.
Twerking in the shower and slipping.
Getting brain damage by patting your weave 90 miles per hour.
Unable to call 911 because your nails are too long.
Saying Lil Wayne in front of the mirror 3 times. And getting eaten by a Bigfoot.
Getting shot at a gun safety presentation at school.
Getting trampled at the dollar store. On Black Friday, man.
Getting head by a girl with a chipped tooth. And she tears a ligament in your penis.
Running away from a roach in the kitchen and slipping on a pile of unpaid bills.
Twerking in the club, ay. And you have an asthma attack. The fuck?
Running to record a fight. When your weave falls off and you get destroyed by a bus.
Getting a heart attack when Marvin tells you you're the father.
Singing just to be better in the hood.
Flat iron in your hair, girl, ay. It catches on fire.
Your vagina smells like fish. And a dozen cats attack.